Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with a new video. So this time my amazing online finds. I have ordered something from the Myntra website. So let's see what I have got. And also look at this cute packaging guys. Hey there, and 100% recyclable. Let me know in the comment section what you think of this excellent eco-friendly packaging guys. So I have ordered this time from the Skechers. It's a footwear brand, Skechers Performance, as you can see and read it here. It has a breathable upper and it is virtually seamless. Completely breathable upper, virtually seamless, and designed for comfortable walking. Go like never before. Wow, amazing. So guys, this Skechers brand is so good if you are having some foot issues like the bunion. Bunion is basically where you have this extreme pain in the great toes because of the misalignment of your toes. If you have some arch issues where it is causing you pain just below the metatarsals, or if you have a heel pain or ankle pain. So Skechers basically have this podiatrist certified. Podiatrist is what, like basically they are the foot doctors. So especially for the pain and all. So they have like technology for every single issues of the feet out there. And frankly, if you ask me, I have the bunion issue, that is a grade 2 issue, and that is why I have ordered these footwear from this Myntra website, from the Skechers. And just look at the color guys. The color is so pretty, it is so beautiful. And if you just notice, they have mentioned performance and comfort, responsive foam, highly resilient, cushioned protection. So basically I wanted something which will provide me this amazing cushion below my feet so that I don't have those kind of pain, because the thing is, in my job I have to walk a lot, and continuous walking for so many hours gives me so much of pain in the feet. That's why. So it has this Gen 5 cushioning, as you can read it here. Now the best part is, this is like a mesh fabric, as you can see. So it makes it very easier for the feet to breathe. You can see this dotted pattern. This is machine washable guys. So you feel that shoe has become some dirty, like after you have worn it several times, so you can wash it in the machine, use cold water, and you have to wash this on gentle cycle and then air dry. Okay, so this is like the best part of this. And this is from their range Go Walk, Skechers Go Walk, and this is like their recent machine washable shoes. And this is like the seal that they are adding, no return if the seal is broken. So you don't have to break this seal guys. So first try it. If at all you feel that it is comfortable for your feet, then only you can return it. Okay. So let me know in the comment section how are you liking this color. And if we look at the price point of view guys, so I have bought this at a price of 4,000. It was somewhere around 3,000 something. And whenever you get a discount from the Skechers website or Amazon or Myntra, you can get it at discounted price. Okay, I think the original price is somewhere around 6,000 or 6,500. And if we talk about the soles, can you just look at the soles? What an amazing pattern this sole has. And if you look at this, the length of this sole, so basically it will provide that good cushioning. And so this is, I think this is like a covering that they have entered here. So let's just remove this. I think this is for the proper positioning of the shoes. So I have bought this size 7. Okay, also I think in other sizes it is size 40. So can you read this here? So it has this air cooler Goga mat, Skechers. So this Guga mat is supposed to be extremely comfortable for your feet, which provides this extra cushioning. And yes, when I press this, it is this amazing foam. As you can see, it bounces back. So let's remove the other one and let's try this. Can you see this little shadow, this dotted that it is forming inside? I don't know whether you can see this or not. So when they say that it has this, mesh fabric, so you can see this mesh imprinting like the light shadow. So let's wear this and see how it looks on the feet. So I have one in this feet and I'm wearing this in the other feet. Wow, guys, it feels extremely comfortable in the feet and this cushioning as well. And one more thing what I want to mention here is, please check it whether the size is appropriate and comfortable for you, and don't break this seal until you know for sure that this is the footwear that you are going to keep and the size is perfect. Okay, so let me know in the comment section how do you like the color. The color looks quite good and quite fancy to me if you ask me, and frankly I feel there's still this a little bit of room to wiggle my toes. It is not cramping my feet. It is extremely comfortable, guys. I mean, even the reviews that I read while buying this, everybody had mentioned how comfortable it was for them. And as I told you, I have a job that requires too much of walking, standing, so this is extremely good for me. So let me know in the comment section how are you liking my videos. And if you like this video, guys, do share a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you back in my next video. Till then, bye bye.